Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Addison Rae channel analytics. Addison has uploaded 16 videos. She now has 4.65 million subscribers with a total view of 106,476,521 views. She's from US. And her channel type is People. She created her channel since August 28, 2016. The grade she got is B. And her social blade ranking is at 51,383rd. The subscriber ranking is 2,981st and then video view rank is 52,558th. She ranked 926th in US and 260th in People. Next, the daily subs for Addison Rae is around 667 with a daily view of 55,604. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 53,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $212. Then, monthly income will be $6,360. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $3,498 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $41,976. That is how much Addison Rae earns from YouTube.